In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can download Plex on your Samsung TV. So we're going to be using a remote control. We've got a home button here, and we're going to be using these arrows here and also this middle button, which is enter. So first thing, press the home button, and we're going to work our way over to the left hand side where we have the magnifying glass. So use the left button there, go up to search, press enter, and we're going to go up to the very top. We're just going to delete what's there, and we're going to type in Plex. So I've typed in Plex, and I'm just going to go down, and you can see we have apps there. So it's going to bring up everything that it thinks is related to Plex. So for example, if we were to go all the way to the very right, you will see that it's there, or you can just work your way down until you bring up apps, and you can see it there. So we're under Plex, we're going to just hit enter button, and now we're going to install it. And you can see the size is only 27 megabytes. We have 1.29 gigabytes remaining, so plenty of space. And you also have the option now to add it to home. You don't have to, but if you add it to home, it means that Plex is easy to find from your home screen. If not, you've got to go into your apps and your downloaded apps. If you have a look here, we have an option to go down to add to home in the top right. And it's going to bring it here, and we can move it left and right and drop it where we want. So if I want to drop it just after Now TV, I can move it to there, press enter, and that is it. Plex is now on your home screen here. If you don't add it to your home screen, you just need to go to apps, go down, and then you will see it under downloaded app there, Plex. Nice and easy. Thanks for watching.